I decided to be a counselor this year partially because they really needed help, and I came as a camper here, and I thought it'd be cool to come back as a counselor. It's kind of weird right now, but I think I'll enjoy it. Probably some of the things I'm most scared of, I'm the nurse this year, so I'm a little bit scared that someone's going to get hurt, and that could be a little interesting for me. And I'm also scared that I will have issues controlling my kids. I'm sure they'll be great. I haven't met most of them, but it's just a couple of fears.
I can also do somebody that you lady makeup enthusiasts and maybe guys understand. Hey sisters, welcome to my YouTube channel. And I promise you this, we will build a wall and we will make Mexico pay for it. But then, I mean, I know a lot of Spanish people who don't like that, and they're like, you know, man, that's just not fair. This dude don't know what he's talking about. Like, I come over here legal, man. I mean, there was just a crack and I just slipped through, you know.
I'm actually double jointed in my shoulders.
Why did you come to camp?
I came, our church had actually the restoration forums and all that, and I had never heard of it before that, and I was like really interested in like getting together with the youth that believe the same thing I do during the summer, and I came last year and loved it, so I wanted to come again. To me, it's a safe space where we can talk about God, ask questions, and worship God in any way we like without worrying about being judged for it. Share about our past and the struggles we have without being judged for that.
So what's your favorite thing here at camp?
Definitely the worship services and the worship team.
Ballerina, I would be. First position, second position. First position, second position.
Look out, we go.
First position,
Okay, I don't see that.
first position, second position.
Look out, we line.
First position, second position.
Lay down, we line.
First position, second position.
Lay down, we line. First position, 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 lay down, we line.
Hey man, who do you think's gonna win?
I have no idea. I'm gonna go for the guys. Let's go.
Hey, who do you think's gonna win?